When you play a video on the YouTube app on your iPhone, the video player offers several settings, like changing playback speed or resolution. If the video quality seems low, you can manually check for higher resolution options. To adjust the resolution, tap on the video to reveal the player controls, then select the settings icon. From there, you can choose a higher resolution to improve video quality. Tap on Quality to view the available options for the current video. You can leave the setting on Auto to allow YouTube to automatically adjust the quality based on your network conditions. Alternatively, you can manually choose between higher picture quality or the data saver option, depending on your preference. After you change the quality, a confirmation will appear on the screen showing that the video quality has been updated. The data saver option is particularly useful if you're trying to reduce data consumption while using cellular data. If you want more control over the video quality, select the advanced option to manually choose a supported resolution. Keep in mind that switching to a higher or lower resolution will affect the video quality.
There's a reasonable entry fee, and ample parking spaces are available for visitors. The best time to visit Long Branch?
Try exploring all the available options before selecting the one that best fits your needs.
Brightly, the waves lapping gently at the shore and the music playing in the background, it's a scene right out of a postcard. Long Branch is perfect for those seeking a lively beach atmosphere.
This will only affect the video quality, not the audio.
This beach is nothing short of a cultural melting pot, perfectly blending the sea's tranquility with an energetic city vibe. Did you know that Asbury Park was named after Francis?
You can apply this preference to the specific video you're watching, or to all videos.
Asbury Park's lively boardwalk, a hub of activity, where you'll find a mix of classic beachfront fun and unique attractions. But that's not all.
To do this for all videos, tap Video Quality Preferences on the quality screen. This will take you to a screen where you can set video preferences for both cellular networks and Wi-Fi. You can also adjust the playback speed of the video to suit your needs. To change the playback speed, tap the video, go to Settings, and select Playback Speed. There are multiple options for slower and faster speeds, which can be useful if you want to quickly skim through a video, or watch it at a slower pace for better understanding.
Undeveloped barrier islands on the North Atlantic coast.
Experiment with the different playback speed options to see how they affect the video. This will allow you to quickly adjust the speed when needed in the future, making your viewing experience more efficient and tailored to your preferences.
They're home here. But it's not just about the birds and the bees. Island Beach State Park offers adventurous activities like fishing and kayaking. So whether you're an avid angler or a kayaking enthusiast, there's something for you here. There is a small entry fee and ample parking, but trust me, the experience is worth every penny. The best time to visit is during the summer months when the temperature is just right for a dip in ocean. Island Beach State Park is the ideal escape for nature enthusiasts. At number 4, we have the family-friendly Point Pleasant. This beach is a treasure trove of fun and excitement for people of all ages. It boasts a vibrant boardwalk, humming with activity, with eateries serving mouth-watering dishes, and shops selling unique beach souvenirs. The Jenkinson's Aquarium, located right on the boardwalk, is a must-visit for its fascinating marine life. An interesting fact about Point Pleasant is that it was originally a hunting ground for the Lenape Native Americans, which adds a historical touch to its charm. One of the highlights of Point Pleasant in the summer months is the weekly fireworks display that lights up the night sky, creating an enchanting, it's a treat for the eyes and a memory to cherish. Entry to the beach is paid, but it is worth every penny for the experience it offers. Parking is also available for a nominal fee. The best time to visit is undoubtedly the summer months when the beach is abuzz with activities and the weather is simply perfect for a dip in the ocean. Point Pleasant is a favorite among families for its variety of attractions. Claiming the bronze medal at number 3 is the Evergreen Ocean City, a beach that vibrancy and life call home, where the sun seems to take pride in shining a tad brighter. The star of the show here is undoubtedly the consortium of mini golf courses. From pirates to dinosaurs, each course presents a theme, ensuring an exciting game every round. But the charm doesn't end there. Did you know that Ocean City is also known as America's greatest family resort? This is a testament to the city's commitment to provide.
You also have additional settings on the video player to customize your viewing experience even further. For instance, you can toggle captions on or off, or enable auto-translate to view subtitles in different languages. To change caption settings, select Captions and choose your option. Another handy feature is the lock screen option, which prevents accidental taps that could disrupt your video. To enable it, go to Settings and choose Lock Screen. When activated, Lock screen disables touch input while you're watching in full screen mode, so you won't accidentally pause, skip, or select a different video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell, so you never miss out on any of our future videos. We've got plenty more awesome content coming your way. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think about this video, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be responding to your comments, so let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.